Good morning students, I am Ravinder Singh, your math teacher, and you know very well chapter number 9 and exercise 9C is going. So today we will discuss the rationalizations of exercise 9C and chapter linear equation in one variable. So firstly see the question number 15. And question number 15 is a man is 4 times as old as his son. So after 16 years, he will be only twice as old as his son. So find their present age. So firstly, let the present age of the son. Let the present age of the son. Let the present age of the son be x years. As it is, the present age of the man be how much times? 4 times, so 4x years. Clear students? Now after 16 years, son is equals to x plus 16 years. As it is, man's age equals 4x plus 16 years. 4x plus 16 years. Clear students? Now, according to question, after 16 years, man is twice his son. Man's age 4x plus 16 equals to twice of son age. So 4x as it is plus 16 equals to 2 1 2x and 2 16 32. So arrange the like term means 4x minus 2x equals to 32 minus 16. So this is 2x, 4x minus 2x just 2, and here 16 to the 32. So 32 minus 16 just 16. So value of x equals to 16 upon 2. 2 8 is 16. 8. Hence, son is equals to 8 years and man's age equals to 4 multiply 8 and 8 for the 32 years. So everyone clear this question beta? So after this see the question number 17. Now question number 17 is after 16 years Fatima will be 3 times as old as she is now. So find her present age. So firstly let the present age of Fatima. Let the present age of Fatima be x years. According to question, after 16 years, 16 years. So x plus 16. 3 times is presented, so 3x. So arrange the like term. 16 equals to 3x minus x. So x 16 equals to 3x minus x just 2x. So value of x equals to 16 upon 2 and 2 8 is 16. So x equals to 8. Hence, the present age of Fatima equals to 8 years. 8 years. The present age of Fatima equals to 8 years. So everyone clear beta? This question clear? So now after this see the next question number 19. Now question number 19. A bag contains 25 paise and 50 paise coins whose total value is 30 rupees. If the number of 25 paise coin is 4 times that of 50 paise coins, then find the number of each types of coins. coins. So see the solution of question number 90. See, firstly that the number of 50 paise coins be x as it is, then the number of 25 paise coins equals to 4x, equals to 4x. Total value of 50 paise coins equals to 50 multiply x as it is. Total value of 25 paise coins equals to 25 multiply 4x. So 25 for the 100x. 100x. Now according to question, 50x plus 100x equals to 30 rupees. 30 rupees तो कन्वर्ट करेंगे बेटा 3000 पैसे, रुपीस को कन्वर्ट करेंगे पैसेज में. सो 50 and 100, 150x equals to 3000, equals to 3000. So value of x equals to 3000 upon 150. So 0 से 0 कट हो जाएगा, 15 to the 30. So value of x equals to 20. Value of x equals to 20. So number of 50 paise coins, number of 50 paise coins equals to how much? 20, because this is x, and number of 25 paise coins equals to 4x. So 4 multiply value of x 20 and 4 to the 8, so 80. So total number of coins is 100. So this question is clear beta, everyone clear? So now after this see the next question, question number 21. So see the question number 21, and question number 21 is the number of boys in a school is 334 more than the number of girls. So firstly let the number of girls in the school be x, in the school be x as it is, then the number of boys in the school be x plus 334, 334, and total number of students in the school is 572. So according to question, girls plus boys equals to 572. 572. So x and x, 2x, 334 as it is equals to 572. So 2x equals to 572 minus 334. So 2x equals to 12 minus 4 just 8, 6 minus 3 just 3, and 5 minus 3 just 2. So value of x equals to 238 upon 2. So 2 1 jar 2 1 jar 2 9 jar. So value of x equals to 119. So question is the number of girls in the school. Find the number of girls in the school. So hence number of girls in the school equals to number of girls x. So value of x is 119. So 119 girls in the school. So everyone clear beta? This question is clear. Now after this see the last question of this exercise, question number 23. So students, question number 43 is the length of a rectangular hole is 5 meter more than its breadth. Its breadth. So firstly, let the breadth of the hole be x meter. Breadth क्या होगा? X meter. So length is 5 meter more. The length of the hole be x plus 5 meter more. So x plus 5 meter. And you know very well according to question, parameter of the hole is parameter of the hole equals to 74 meter is given. And you know very well parameter of hole to length plus breadth equals to 74 meter. And put the value of length and breadth. So length is x and breadth is x plus 5 equals to 74. So 1 and 1, 2x plus 5 equals to 74. And 2 to the 4x, 2 5 are 10 equals to 74. So 4x equals to 74 minus x. So x equals to 64 upon 4. 4 1 जा 4 6 जा. So value of x equals to 16. Value of x equals to 16. So question is find its length and breadth. Find its length and breadth. So hence length equals to, and length is x plus 5. X plus 5. So put the value of x and x is 16. So 16 plus 5 is 21 meter. As it is breadth and breadth is x. So put the value of x and x is 16 meter. So length 21 meter and breadth 16 meter. So everyone clear beta? This question clear? So today work is closed. Have a nice day beta. Thank you.